Alright guys, so I'm first going to start with my 40 volume developer, and I'm actually using basic white, and I can buy the bag one them at Vivian's Beauty Supply. I bought this at Vivian's Beauty Supply, the basic white. I bought the 40 volume developer at Vivian's Beauty Supply, and I also bought the Got to Be at Vivian Beauty Supply as well. I can't remember where I bought this brush, I have it for a good while now. So this is my first attempt of realizing my closure, meaning I'm gonna make my closures a reality, honey. Not my frontals a reality, honey. It's been a journey, you know. To be kind of honest, when I upload hair videos and I don't feel confident in the closure or the frontal, I do not read your comments. It's just so hard to watch. But I've been watching so much YouTube videos and I've just been so inspired. I was like, you know what, I'ma do this, honey. I'ma do this, honey. Now I will say that this lace is so darn thick. I've never encountered a lace as thick as this. Now the frontal did come pre-plucked. It is a 13x4 closure, frontal, sorry. And the hair, the frontal, is from LSY Beauty on Instagram, lsybeauty.com. Right, so this lace is really thick. I didn't realize it was this thick until I actually started working with it. Now what I did not do, and I'm going to mention it later on in the video, is I did not leave this mixture, the bleaching, on long enough. And that was mine, but I should have left it on a really long time, but I didn't leave it on long enough, you guys. But yeah, so this is like phase one of me making my closures look a bit more realistic. I'm actually going to be doing another one, and I'll be recording every single one because I'm so proud of myself, honey. I'm an old school YouTuber, so to be quite honest, when my closures don't look as realistic as other closure people, it doesn't bother me. But I understand the need for professionalism, especially because I'm being paid, and most importantly because I'm promoting the hair, so I won't promote it crap. Okay, so for all the videos that I've watched, every single one that I've chosen to watch anyway are the ones that they part out a little bit at the front and then they pluck behind where they parted. Now I did not pluck as much as and it comes with baby hairs. Now I did not pluck as much as I should have. So when I'm going to be working with the other closure, I'll probably just continue working with this one. We'll see. I'm going to actually do it longer. I'm going to pluck it a little bit more. I'm going to have the bleach stay a little bit longer. You guys, I just really want to thank you for your support, and most importantly thank LSY Beauty for sending me this hair to review. You have to understand, with companies, when they send the hair to review, they're basically trusting you. Yes, the more you promote them here, yes, they want, you know, the traffic to go to their website or Instagram or whatever. But it takes a lot for a company, in my opinion anyway, to reach out to you and say, hey, I'm trusting you to send you here that you put on your channel and make the video entertaining and, you know what I mean, like informative. And that's what I'm trying to do with these upcoming hair videos. And because I'll be recording for the entire month in November, I will definitely be bringing you guys some hair tutorials. I'm so excited. But oh yeah, so now I already tacked on one side of the frontal. Now I'm going on the other side. I'm just tacking it down. So after I tack it down, I'm going to sew it to a point until the thread runs out, and then I'm going to continue sewing it. This is how I do all my closures, honey. It goes way beyond ear to ear. My own them go like to the back of my ears, and it almost closes up. Yeah, but this is it. This is what I've been doing. So up next I'll be laying my frontal, you know, just being laying the bad boy down. So now I'm using my Got to Be, and I'm about to lay this fizzle down, honey. Like, ooh. By the way, I actually have the black Got to Be, and I am not a fan. I think it's absolutely horrid. It does not hold my frontals well. But let me just say my hair, because it's a black one to style my hair, and it does nothing, honey. It does absolutely nothing. I don't know what you guys see in that black one, but this yellow one is the greatest of all times. Alright, so I am actually just putting it around my edges, and I'm actually putting it on my forehead as well as my hair, and I'm gonna be giving my hair some baby hairs. You know what I need to start doing for these videos is like prepping my station, because on this day I had makeup to do. I was like, you know what, let me just see if I can put my frontal on, because I wanted to do my frontal on a different day. I wanted to wear a different wig today. I was like, let me just go ahead and do this. And the other videos I was wearing, I wouldn't need to do all of this stuff. but I didn't have my area prepped for this kind of standing, just for the makeup. So, oh, that's an old toothbrush, by the way. If I wouldn't save it, Lord God, I'm gonna save toothbrush for all long. I'm gonna finally use. So I'm actually doing this now, and I'm going to be parting with my fingernail. Yeah, this is a talking about not being prepared. If I was a little bit more prepared, then I would have to use my fingernail to do some baby hairs. Alright, then, or sort of, whatever. So here we go. Here's I am actually going to be using foundation. This is my foundation from Sasha Cosmetics. It's a camouflage foundation in perfect bronze. I don't think it matters the foundation as long as it's not lighter than your own skin. And I'm putting it on the edges. Why am I putting it on the edges? Because as I said before, I did not allow the bleach to sit on it long enough. It should have brought it up to that bronzy color, and I know, honey. So I put the foundation on. So I'm reaching in and I'm pulling up. You see the cap? I'm pulling up the cap, and then I'm going to pull the frontal forward, and then I'm going to be flat ironing the hair. Oh gosh, you guys, I know the reveal. You guys are waiting for the reveal. I ain't gonna say nothing till you see the reveal, but I tried so much. Oh, and that's foundation on my face because it was on my hand, and I was like, I'm not wasting this. Look at that. Yeah, look at my face. Like, okay, yeah, girl. Okay, I see you. Ooh, skin be looking tight, like I be pulled and plucked. But yeah, so the foundation is actually on my face because it was on my hand, and it kept on messing up my hair, so I just put it on my face just to save it for later. Guys, look at your girl. Aren't you guys proud of me? Look at what closure. Okay, you can see some there, but look at. Do you like it, guys? Please be honest. I mean, the ones who don't like me are going to be brutally honest, even if it looks good. But the real ones, you tell me what you feel. Oh, my Vanity Planet flat iron. I do have a Vanity Planet code and link for this flat iron, over 70% off. So I always use this stuff in my hair videos, and then I promote that fact that I do have a coupon code for it. So I'm just basically flat ironing, and here comes the portion of the video where I'll be talking to you again. My LSY Indian straight hair is. Oh, and this detangle I got from them as well. Alright guys, so let's see. Oh, it's still very sticky. How do they do this with the got to be? Okay, not bad. Alright, okay, I didn't do no baby hairs, but not bad at all. Okay. Alright, I am satisfied. Alright, so this is phase 1 of me fixing my frontal from LSY Beauty. It's from Lissy Beauty. The information is here, and I also have the information in the description bar below. I'm yet to tell you what hair, or maybe I told you the voiceover, but I'm actually wearing their Indian straight. So I'm wearing their Indian straight with a frontal, and yo, like, okay, these baby hairs, I can get into it. It wasn't intentional, but I mean, I can see why you guys loving the baby hairs so much. I mean, I can pull my hair back. It's looking way better than what my frontals used to look like. Whoop. No thumbs today. So I got this brush from them as well. It's a Tangler Teaser or Detangler, whatever brush. So this is what I've been using to just detangle the hair, brush through the hair. And I'm wearing 4 bundles. No, 3 bundles and the frontal. This is not bad, you guys. Oh! 26 inches. Let me guys show you the length of that. Let me show you the length of that. It's all the way down to there, like right above my butt. I am not mad at all. I could get used to this, but the thing is though, this, oh, let me tell you, remember in the video when I was making the wig, I didn't leave the thing on long enough, what do you call it, the mix, the bleaching. I didn't leave it on long enough, so because I didn't leave it on long enough, it didn't bleach as much, so I still had to add I still had to put foundation on the lace, which I guess putting foundation on the lace is a cheaper fix than bleaching it. If you're not accustomed to doing your frontals, I would say you can definitely put foundation on your lace. But guys, I love how it's looking. My hair looks a little bit messy. It looks nice. Like if the breeze takes my hair, honey, I will not be embarrassed. And it's still sticky. Still really sticky. That's why I guess put the baby hairs here, because it kind of hides. I like it. I love it. Thank you so much, LSY Beauty, for this Indian straight. I feel so much more confident now, you guys. Now I can actually look at the comments that you guys are leaving on this specific video. If you guys like how I did the frontal, please go ahead and leave a comment. Please thumbs up this video. You know what, tell me, good job, Lyric girl, you out here trying, boo boo, and I can get behind your efforts. But yeah, oof, I love it. I don't think I'm going to pull this out. You know what, I think I'm going to make another video right now, like a talking video. And this hair comes with baby hairs. You see that? Comes with baby hairs, and it came pre-plucked. Oh, it came pre-plucked, but I don't like the pre-pluckage either. But yeah, so this is me. Wow, look at Lyric. This little message. Let me just see if I can put some stuff right here. Put some things right there, honey. Like, is it sticky? Is it still sticky? Let me just stick down some stuffsies. Okay. I'm happy. I'm so happy. I know this video is probably hella long, but I'm happy. So I'm going to be doing another video right now, like a tag video, so I can have really good documents of my closure. Probably flipping my hair like, oh, I have no idea why they would do that. But anyway, this is the end of this video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one, which is going to come after this one. But talk to you later, guys.